Okay, you guys, today I'm at a closing and I want to talk to you about assembling a good team. What's a good team look like in real estate? And so you're dealing with real estate agents, you're dealing with brokers, you're dealing with wholesalers. I have a check here that I'm putting down on a deposit for a lot that I'm buying hopefully next week or the week later, week after that, that I bought from a wholesaler. So I network with lots of different people to find deals, but once you find the deal, you still need a team of people to help you close those deals. And I'm here with Connie True of True Law on the West Bank. And if you guys are local to the New Orleans area, I would highly recommend Connie for your title attorney. She does a great job. She's very good with attention to details, and she's really helped me out quite a bit. And I've been using Connie now for probably last 6 months.
Yeah, yeah.
So very
And
new.
could I interrupt?
Yes,
You know,
yes.
Dan has just been an amazing client. I mean, not only does he, you know what he's doing, very experienced in being able to find properties and you know, just sell properties the right kind, and just a very good person in general. Helps everyone in need. You know, even doing this blog for people, just so you can learn from him. I mean, he is a very complicated real estate investor. He knows what he's doing, and so any questions, he's the guy to go to. Out of all my clients, out of all the people I do closings with, one of my I'm not just saying this, but one of my favorite clients, just because. You talk about attention to detail. I mean, you know, every single statement, every single HUD purchase agreement comes across from Dan. I get emails from him. He's very responsive to emails. Gets back to me within, sometimes minutes. But just to update me on what's going on with his real estate projects. So it helps communication and like he said, being here, just knowing what he's doing. Very experienced. So if there's anyone that I would recommend.
So, I mean, and that's part of it. So this is one side of it, but then you've got bankers, you've got hard money lenders, you've got in New Orleans, there's real estate clubs that you can be a part of.
Yeah.
It's all about networking and learning your industry. And when you're in a position where you can connect all of these dots together, it's going to help your business grow. And so today's message is about putting your team together. You may not be ready to buy your first deal yet, but you do need to get started, and you need to get started with developing a team. So that's what I have to offer. I hope you guys use this in helping you, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Thank you, Dan. You're awesome. You're always awesome.
Thanks, Connie.
Thanks.